What if I told you a whole bunch of your favorite YouTubers are, for all intents and purposes, cheating? It's true. They're using a controversial AI tool to get a massive, almost unfair advantage with the YouTube algorithm. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what it is and how they do it. Think about it. You spend hours, maybe even days, scripting, shooting, and editing the perfect video. You pour your heart into it, you hit publish, and crickets. Meanwhile, you see other channels in your niche, making pretty similar stuff, and their views are just exploding. It's so frustrating, and it feels like they know something you don't, like they've cracked some secret code that you just can't seem to find. Well, in a way, they have. They're using a secret weapon. And honestly, you're at a huge disadvantage right now if you're not using a tool just like it. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the tool that feels so powerful, it might as well be cheating. We'll break down how they use it to dominate search results, analyze their competition with laser-like accuracy, and generate a never-ending stream of video ideas. By the end of this, you'll have that same unfair advantage, and the playing field will finally feel a bit more level. The tool I'm talking about is VIDIQ. Now, you've probably heard of it. Maybe you even have the free browser extension installed. But most people barely scratch the surface of what this thing can actually do. They see it as a simple stats tracker, but that's like calling a smartphone just a phone. It's so much more. VIDIQ is a full-blown growth tool that plugs directly into YouTube, giving you real-time, actionable data that YouTube's own analytics studio just doesn't offer. Here's a better way to think about it. YouTube Analytics is great for telling you what happened in the past, like a report card for your old videos. VIDIQ, on the other hand, is like your crystal ball. It helps you predict what could happen, helping you make smart, data-driven decisions before you even hit record. This ensures that the video you're about to spend hours on has a built-in audience actually looking for it. It's not just about tracking your own channel, it's about understanding the entire ecosystem of your niche. The reason it feels like cheating is that it gives you access to info that used to be a complete black box, like your competitors' strategies and exactly what people are searching for. It turns guesswork into a science. And we're going to start with the feature that feels the most like using a cheat code: spying on your competition. Okay, this is where it gets interesting. One of the biggest pains as a creator is seeing a competitor's video just take off and having zero idea why. What did they do differently? What tags did they use? Is that video getting views, or was it a one-day wonder? With VIDIQ, that mystery is completely gone. The browser extension overlays a powerful stats panel right on top of any video page you visit. Let's say you make videos about building go-karts. You search your topic and see a video with 1 million views. With a single glance at the VIDIQ panel, you can see its views per hour, or VPH. This metric is a total game changer. A video might have a ton of views, but if its VPH is low, the hype is dead. But if you find a video with a high VPH, you've just struck gold. That topic is hot. It goes even deeper though. You can instantly see every single tag that video is using. In the past, this was pure guesswork. Now you see the exact keyword strategy of the top-ranking videos, which you can use to inform your own. VIDIQ even shows you which of those tags are ranking in YouTube search and their position. It's basically like getting a look at your competitor's playbook. You can see the foundation of their success and reverse engineer it for your own channel. The competitor's tool inside VIDIQ takes this to a whole new level. You can literally add specific channels to a dashboard to track their every move. You can monitor their growth, see their best performing videos, and even get an alert when they upload something that starts to pop off. Imagine knowing, within hours, that your biggest rival just dropped a video that's getting 10 times its normal views. This lets you jump on that trend and create your own better version while the topic is still red hot. It's not about copying them, it's about competitive intelligence. It's understanding what your shared audience loves and using that data to serve them even better. So now you know what's working for everyone else. But how do you get your videos to the top of the search rankings? This is the second cheat code, and it's all about mastering keyword research. Most YouTubers get this completely backward. They come up with an idea, make the video, and then they try to find a few keywords to slap onto it. That's like building a house with no blueprint. The top creators know that keyword research is the very first thing you do. VIDIQ's keyword research tool is an absolute monster for this. Sticking with our go-kart example, you might think how to build a go-kart is a great keyword, but when you pop that into VIDIQ, it gives you a score based on two crucial metrics: search volume and competition. Sure, that term has a massive search volume, but the competition is very high, meaning that as a smaller channel, you have almost no chance of ranking. But here's the magic. The tool then spits out a whole list of related long-tail keywords. You might see something like DIY go-kart build under $500. You type that in, and suddenly the scores flip. The search volume might be a bit lower, but the competition score could be low or even very low. That's your golden ticket. You've just found a specific group of people who are actively searching for something that very few creators are making videos about. This is how you win on YouTube. You don't try to go head-to-head with Mr. Beast. You find these underserved pockets in the search results, and you own them. VIDIQ's overall score helps you spot these opportunities at a glance, combining volume and competition into one simple score. Your goal is to find keywords in that green zone, high demand, low supply. By building your video around a keyword like this, you're not just hoping for views, you're building your video on a pre-existing foundation of audience demand. You're surgically targeting viewers and stacking the odds in your favor for getting discovered. By now, you can probably see just how powerful this is. You're getting a roadmap to what your audience wants and a playbook for how your competitors are winning. If you're serious about growing your channel and want to try this out, I've left a link in the description where you can grab a trial of VIDIQ and start playing with these features. It's single-handedly the best investment I've ever made in my own channel. If spying on competitors and dominating search wasn't enough, VIDIQ has now gone all in on AI tools that feel like having a personal scriptwriter and strategist on call 24/7. This is the third, and maybe the most powerful, cheat. We've all been there, staring at a blank document, totally out of ideas. Creator's block is a channel killer. VIDIQ's AI content generator pretty much solves this. One of the best features is daily ideas. Based on your channel, your past videos, and current trends, the AI gives you 3 new video ideas every single day. And they aren't just random topics. They come with a view prediction of very high, high, or medium, giving you a hint at how well it thinks the topic could perform for you. But it gets crazier. Let's say you like one of the ideas. You can then have the AI generate a whole content package for you. With a click, it can generate catchy, SEO-friendly titles, a full video description packed with keywords and hashtags, and even a video outline or a first draft script. The AI can analyze top videos on that topic to suggest a structure built for high retention. Now, you should always add your own voice and creativity, but this takes what used to be hours of research and writing and shrinks it down to minutes. This AI suite is basically an engine for consistency. It helps you produce high-quality, optimized content at a scale that's nearly impossible for a solo creator. When you combine AI-generated ideas, which are already based on data, with the keyword and competitor research we just talked about, you create a nearly foolproof system for growth. It streamlines your entire workflow from idea to upload, letting you focus on what actually matters, making an awesome video. So, after all of this, is using VIDIQ really cheating? No, of course not. It's a YouTube certified tool, and it's all completely above board. But the reason it liked cheating is because the advantage it gives you is so significant. It closes the information gap between small creators like us and the huge media companies that have entire teams dedicated to this stuff. Tools like VIDIQ level the playing field, giving everyone access to the same strategic data. It's not a magic button for views. You still have to make a great video that people want to watch and share. No tool on earth can do that for you. But what it do is ensure that the amazing video you make actually has a fighting chance to be seen. It takes the guesswork out of growth and replaces it with a data-driven strategy. It's not cheating, it's working smarter, not harder. It's using technology to make informed decisions, which is exactly what every successful business in every industry does. So, there you have it. The secret weapon that so many top creators are using isn't really a secret at all. It's a tool called VIDIQ, and it's available to anyone who wants to get serious about their channel. We've seen how you can use it to ethically spy on your competition to figure out what makes them tick. We've walked through how to use its powerful keyword tools to find untapped video ideas and climb the search rankings. And we've seen how its AI can act as your personal content strategist, feeding you ideas and outlines every single day. The frustration of publishing to an audience of 0 usually isn't about your talent, it's about your strategy. By switching from a create and pray approach to a data-informed one, you can completely change your channel's future. You can stop guessing what people want and start. This is how you turn a hobby into something much, much bigger. This is how you get your great content in front of the audience it deserves. I really hope this was eye-opening for you. I truly believe that using a tool like this is one of the single most effective things you can do to grow on YouTube right now. So, let me know in the comments, what is the single biggest thing you're struggling with on your channel? Is it coming up with ideas, getting discovered, or something else entirely? I'd love to hear from you. And while you're down there, if you found this video helpful, do me a solid and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I have a lot more strategies to share with you. Thanks for watching. The link for VIDIQ is in the description.